Hello, Mia and Landon. How are you? Let's see. Today's Monday, but for you, it is Wednesday, and you are going to repeat after me. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is our our letter, keyword, and sound drill. And you're going to do it after me. So I will pause. Okay. A, apple, a. G, game, g. Z, zebra, z. I, itch, I. S, snake, s. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, o. M, man, mm. T, top, t. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, U, queen, qu. U, up, V, van, v. R, rat, r. W, wind, w. F, fun, f. CK, sock, k. That's a digraph. Oh, another digraph. TH, thumb, TH, thumb. N, nuts, n. X, fox, x. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. Y, yellow, y. D, dog, d. E, ed, e. H, hat, that's all of them. So what you can do, hopefully you did every one right after I did, and you can watch this tape again and practice those letters. Okay, keep practicing. Keep practicing.